Hi guys, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're gonna be making mud pie. So we need chocolate ice cream. We're gonna let it sit so it can soften. While the ice cream melts, we're gonna just make the crust using Oreo cookie and butter and let it melt. So we're gonna put this in. We're gonna put 24 cookies in here. 3, 4, 5, 24. We're gonna use the pause function. Let's put them over here. Hello. I saw Ryan make a mud pie you can't eat. Ooh, my butter. We have the melted butter. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we gotta mix. Mix. Give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna dump this in. Or scoop it out into the pan. Ooh. She smashy, smashing. I'm putting my fingers up so that we can make the crust, like up on the pan. We're gonna open this and put it in. I want to taste this ice cream. Ooh, slippery. I'm squeezing so hard. So we're gonna let it out before we do the rest. You have 2, I have 2. Thank you. Can I lick it? No. I spread out the ice cream. And then we're gonna smooth it over. We're gonna smooth it over now. But we're gonna smooth it. Oh, like this? Ah. Yeah, like that. Perfect. I want you to help sister do this. And then if we get tired, just tell sister and she will help you. You're doing a great job, Lily. We'll put it in the freezer until it sits. It's all done. We get to dish it out now. And lift it up. Yeah, later. Now we put the sprinkles. Sprinkle. Chocolate. You've been asking for it. Chocolate. Ooh, my first try of mud pie. Super good! Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe. Bye! You don't need this. I love eating mud pie. Mud pies, mud pies. You eat them, you'll feel great.